Hey peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous, and in today's video,
we're going to do an unboxing and install of this new shower head.
So let's get to it.
So we went ahead and purchased this shower head because of a few features that it has that we liked. First of all, it's a pretty cool, large-sized shower head fountain, as well as the sprayer that disconnects there, and it connects with a magnet instead of a clip. So that's a really cool feature. It has a metal little hose that connects the sprayer to the rest of the shower head. So it should be a little bit more easy to move around instead of an old, plastic one that can get kind of stiff. And then lastly, what we really liked about this one is you can pause it so that you can save some water as you're lathering up in your shower, and then turn it back on and have that instant hot water.
Yeah. So this is just going in the master bedroom, but if we like it, we're going to add it to more places because right now all our shower sprayers aren't able to be detached from the wall, so this will make it easier to clean the shower. Definitely.
Ready to get to it?
Yep.
So again, this is why we really like having the metal hose, because sometimes when you get these shower heads with the plastic one, like it'll be all like this and it won't ever like lay down nicely. But this one, very flexible and moves around. So this is the second reason. Look at this. That's pretty neat. So we don't have to worry about hanging it on a clip. We can just stick it on there with the magnet. It has a nice chrome finish on the end here. So it looks really nice. Welcome to my shower. The first thing we need to do is take off this old shower head. So we're just going to use this 22mm wrench to make this a little bit easier, and so we don't have to spin this around, we're just going to remove this piece of it. And this is our swivel control, so that you can kind of do that with it and then lock it in place. We're going to take it completely off. And of course, we have an O-ring in there. That should make it a watertight seal. So the next part will be adding the hose and the sprayer. You want to make sure you use the O-rings that come with the sprayer here. Just stick that in there, and that'll create a watertight seal. All right, so this is the shower with it being paused, and I can turn it on. So, we can move through our settings here. Pretty neat. And we can turn this shower head on with this lever over here. We have both on at the same time.
So it's been about 2 weeks since we installed the shower head, so what's your update on it?
It works really well. There's a lot of pressure that comes out of the shower head, and you can have multiple settings, which is nice for both the little detachable piece as well as the bigger part, and it works really nice.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get my every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye.